Sarah, what is the microbiome and why put so much effort into studying it?
Basically, these are just like different microorganisms that are living in different sites throughout the body, and so there's a lot of diversity in the kind of things that are living in different sites. So like the microbiome in your mouth is different from the microbiome in your gut, and there's a lot of diversity also between people. So my microbiome is going to look different from your microbiome. But understanding what a healthy microbiome looks like on like the whole of like many different people will also help us understand the diseases that are caused when the microbiome is in dysbiosis or is like unhealthy.
Moving on, what is organ on a chip technology?
So the organ on a chip is a microfluidics device in which we can study the function of human organs. So at a microscale, we have a lot of control over the environment as opposed to in a mouse or something where you can't really control what's going on inside the mouse. So some design factors to consider are spatial distribution of cells, so in studying how they interact with each other. And we can also look at the exposure to physical stress, drugs, and any other stimuli that we want to test.
What do you see as the possible benefits and applications of organ on a chip technology?
Right. So currently, drug development and the drug pipeline takes several $1 billion to complete to get a drug to the market. And along the way, we must undergo many clinical trials to make sure the drug is safe and effective. But these clinical trials have like several very clear inefficiencies. First, in stage 1, we test on mice or other animal models, and these models do not translate well into humans. And second, it just takes a very long time, and the gut microbiome is very diverse, so it's unclear whether, like, even if we test the drug in a human, that it will translate over to another human. As a result, if we have a gut on a chip, we can test the drug directly, measure its response, and then easily have it translate over to some effect that is realized in a human.